Look how unique this is. The bathroom, pretty cute, right? But wait, there's the shower and the bathtub is in the shower.
Oh, I love that.
Cool?
So today we're at the Palms Place, which is one of 3 towers which make up the Palms. The Palms is technically off strip, but it's very close. It's actually right across the street from the Rio and Gold Coast. And it's like a 4-star, 4.5 star, pretty well respected and quality resort and casino. Yeah. So the Palms is also in an area of Vegas that I have yet to explore, at least not on the vlog here. Like I mentioned, it's right across from the Rio, and it's like 1 road down from Chinatown in Vegas. So on the way here, Greta, she drove, and I spent some time doing a little bit of research, and I actually found some really cool information, unique information about the Palms. So number 1, what I thought was really cool, is the Palms is home to one of the most expensive rooms in the whole world. The tower holds what are known as Sky Villas and the Fantasy Suites, which are some of the most expensive hotel suites in the world. The 2-story Sky Villa on the top floor is billed at $40,000 per night. And it's listed as number 5 on the world's 15 most expensive hotel suites compiled by CNN in March of 2012. That was a while ago, so maybe things have changed a bit, but still pretty cool. The Palms has been featured in a number of music videos, Britney Spears video, an Eminem video, Katy Perry, Mariah Carey, all sorts of things. They even filmed an MTV show here once. But what I thought was even cooler than that is there's an actual recording studio at the Palms that a number of artists, Jay-Z, Olivia Newton-John, Celine Dion, Beyonce, Madonna, Lady Gaga, Britney Spears, the list goes on, Whitney Houston, who have used the recording studio here. And lastly, something that is just so unbelievable. So in the Fantasy Tower, there is a 2-story, 10,000 square foot suite that includes the only basketball court in a hotel suite in the world. The suite includes a locker room, scoreboard, a multi-screen entertainment system. That's amazing. I gotta figure out how to get access to that. Alright, so we're heading to Chinatown for lunch, but while we're on the way there, you guys are gonna have a room tour, compliments of Greta.
Alright, let's see this room. Oh my goodness! Oh my god, is that a kitchen in there? It looks like there's both a freezer and a fridge. Oh my god, they actually also give you free water. Well, that's nice. That's actually nice. And a microwave? Oh wow, so you can bring food from outside and warm it up? A stove and a table? You can actually, in your own room, sit down and have food. Well, that's crazy. That's nice. And here's a nice Palmsy work area, and oh my god, there's literally like 2 flat screen TVs. 2! Like 1 was not enough. Like you couldn't see. If you were sitting on the couch, like you couldn't have seen the one in front of the bed. Here's a nice bed. Can't wait to jump on it later. And let's see, because I think there's like a balcony out there. Let me get there real quick. Hold on. And there it is. Too bad we didn't really have like chairs out here or anything, but it's also kind of cold, honestly. But look at this view though. Oh my god, the view is actually amazing. It's like you see the whole strip, but you're not on the strip, so. And wait, is this marble? That's always appreciated. And look at this, the water works. That's good. And some lotion stuff, TV in the bathroom just in case. This is literally so exciting. Like there's literally like a bathtub inside the shower area. So that's cool. Like you can literally get out of the bathtub and not get anything wet because you're in the shower. Out here there's like some extra like closet space and stuff. There's like a safe down there. And if that's not enough, there's literally another one, like more closet space. That's crazy.
And we're back and in Chinatown, Las Vegas.
Chinatown.
China. It's still on your backpack. There's a bee on Greta's backpack.
Make it fly away.
Greta, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Greta, shake it.
I'm scared.
Greta, shake your backpack. There's no place to sting you. Shake it. Ah! It's gone, it's gone.
Hey, come here. You look like a music lover. Excuse me, senor. It is not ole ole. No. It is only one ole. Like this.
Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Alright, so we're in the Chinatown Mall. There were a bunch of different restaurant options like outside of the mall area, but we decided to come in here and kind of see what we could find. It's really beautiful in here, honestly. Whoa, look at these guys.
It's the cats.
They're waving. I kind of want one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We're going upstairs now, the second level.
Lohan School of
Chinatown Outlet, Lohan School of Shaolin. What is that? Some type of martial arts. Yeah. Wowzers. Wow. There's so many things in here. Look at this. Look at this waterfall. So Greta just got a ring upstairs at that shop. I got a little waving cat thingy for my desk, and we're about to have lunch at the Yummy Box Cafe, Chinese food restaurant in the mall.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Bye, have a good one.
Bye.
Take care.
So we're leaving Chinatown right now. We had a really good meal at that restaurant. I'm gonna link it because it's really worth going to. But yeah, so we're gonna head to the Palms Casino right now, which I do believe is closed. So out of those 3 different towers that make up the Palms, the one we're staying at is Palms Place, which is open, but it's only a hotel. The casino, which is in the Palms Casino, those 2 towers I don't think they're open. So we're gonna quickly just like check it out, and I'll show you, and then we'll figure out what's next. So we are at the Rio. Unfortunately, the Palms Casino was in fact closed, so we came to the closest, best one, the Rio. So fun fact, the first time I was ever in Vegas, I stayed at the Rio back in 2016, January of 2016. So I haven't really even been back since, so it's cool to be back. It was before I moved here, before I started vlogging and just, you know, everything, so. So if you walk all the way down behind me, you will get to the convention center at the Rio, which is the place where I had my first Vegas experience. And trade show life still has not come back, and it's kind of sad, but my first experience here, I was working for a company that was doing some video wall installations at the trade show. And so because of that, I was mainly just staying at the Rio, and I didn't really experience the strip or the party side of Vegas yet. I was experiencing the trade show side of Vegas, which is really one of the best parts about a town like Vegas, in my opinion. Meeting different professionals, seeing different amazing things that people are bringing into the world. It wasn't until my second time here, where I was in the middle of the strip at the Venetian. I had been working at another trade show, but I was here for so long that I had so much downtime to venture outside of the convention center and to really experience the strip and like party and do all those things. So it's nice to be back here, and it's bringing back some old memories of a younger version of Pomsey. So there's a second or recreation of the Comedy Cellar located in the Rio, which the Comedy Cellar, if you don't know, is one of the most famous comedy clubs in New York City, and it honestly was probably my favorite comedy club ever. I went there a handful of times when I lived back on the East Coast, and I always they have world-class guys there. A couple years ago, they made one and brought it here. It's supposed to look exactly like the original Comedy Cellar, so that's pretty cool. And while some other comedy clubs in town have reopened, the Comedy Cellar has not yet, so that's kind of a bummer. I still have not gone to any comedy clubs in Vegas yet, so hopefully sometime soon. We found the arcade here at the Rio, and behind me is a mini golf course in the theme of Kiss. We might go play it afterwards, but Greta first wanted to play a game of air hockey right here, so wish me luck.
Oh! No!
Yeah, that one is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This one, the orange ball. So this morning is a very unique morning in Vegas. Apparently, there's a weather storm coming in. It's definitely going to release rain, possibly even snow. It's always unique when you see the beautiful blue sky covered with clouds, especially like right now. It's just full of clouds. You can't even see the mountains down there. So before we headed out, I did explore a little bit, and really all that there was a small lobby with a tiny mini mart convenience store, and it had an ATM there and a conference room. And then if you go higher up, I think on floor 7 and 8 is the spa and the fitness center, which the spa is not open, but the fitness center was, and it looked really nice. Other than that, you know, the pool's closed, and yeah, it was just a hotel room, no casino. Basic hotel, very nice though. And I will say the clientele that I did come into contact with were all pretty young, maybe late 20s, party vibes kind of thing. I'll just leave it at that. Either way, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope that you enjoy the rest of your day or night. Toss a like to support my work, and peace.